And then you've got some reset options. So if you were in the guest profile, you wouldn't be able to do a full reset, but you can delete profiles, but you can also reset all. So what reset all is going to do is exactly that. It's essentially going to wipe the infotainment system clean. But if you're running into problems, so let's say if Apple CarPlay is not working, Android Auto is not working, etc., you could do a full factory reset. But the downside of doing the reset is it's going to wipe everything from the infotainment system. So it's going to get rid of profiles, any addresses that you've saved, presets that you've set up, and things like that. What you actually want to do is a soft screen reboot. In order to do a soft screen reboot, what you want to do is put the car into accessory mode. So in order to do that, turn the car off first. Once you're turned off, don't hit the brake pedal. Little animations there. So don't hit the brake pedal here, so foot off the brake, and then you're just going to hit the start-stop button there. And what that's going to do is put you into accessory mode. So you have to be in accessory mode in order for this next step to work. From here, all you're going to do is take the map button and the setup button, and you're going to push them both simultaneously. So push and hold both for about 5-10 seconds or so. And you can see there, restarted, and we're going through a reboot process. So it's very similar to doing a reset on your phone. So what we're doing is essentially clearing the cache. So that should get rid of the majority of issues that you're facing. So like I said, Apple CarPlay is not working, Android Auto is not working, whatever the case may be. That should solve that problem. If that doesn't work, the next step would be to try a full screen reset. If that doesn't work, then the next step from there would be to go through and take it in to your dealership in order for them to have a look. So in order to do the full factory reset again, you just go into your setup, general, and then reset there, and then reset all. So you're going to try the soft reboot first by being in accessory mode, pushing both of those buttons first. If that doesn't work, do a full screen reset. If that doesn't work, bring it into your Genesis dealership for them to have a look.